everybody. We are going to talk about how to optimize your content for search engines as well as for your visitors today. This subject gained a good bit of an importance, particularly after the latest Google algorithm changes, where Google started measuring the quality of your content by looking into a few new factors. And this actually has a considerable effect on your SEO. We're going to go through those as well as the standard factors that you should be implementing to optimize your content. So let's get started. Let's go to the computer and let's start looking into all these SEO factors.
Here we are. This is our example. This is a typical layout for a content, and this is your text content, and this is your image content. And to start with, what we're going to do with this example is we're going to pick a keyword, and our keyword is Internet Marketing Company. And we are also going to be working with an image. Here is the image that we're going to be working with, and we're going to come back and show how to optimize that image. Now, the first thing is first, of course, your content has to be a unique content. This has been emphasized over and over again because there's a reason to it, but since this is a totally different subject, we're not going to get into it. We're going to emphasize the fact that, yes, your content has to be unique, and we're going to move on to the next topic, which is of course, the title of your article. Here we put the title of your article, and the title of your article should contain your keywords. In this case, it's the Internet Marketing Company, and it should be H1 tag. Now, there's also another important topic regarding how to select or write your topic, and this is again another topic all by itself. We're not going to get into it, but you should also take a look into that because your title should be a compelling title for to catch the reader's attention. Now, the next topic, next subject that we are going to get into is the keyword usage. The keyword usage should start with your keyword being in the beginning of the first paragraph. Your article should also have your keyword in the last paragraph. The first paragraph and the last paragraph. And the first keyword preferably should be at the beginning of the first paragraph. Now you should put your keywords throughout your article, and of course this subject boils down to the keyword density, which none of this keyword density numbers 1%, 2% actually holds any truth, besides one known fact that keyword stuffing is a bad practice of content writing. So in order to demonstrate a keyword stuffing, this is how your article would look like with the keyword stuffing. So the question is, how do you know if you're keyword stuffing, and how do you know when you're using enough keywords within your article? Let's get the keyword stuffing out. So we're going to get back to this subject in a minute. First, we need to discuss the variations of your keywords. Now, this actually some of the SEO professionals recommend to use variations of the keywords. This actually may not hold any truth to it, but you need to look at the subject from another perspective. Since you already have your keywords and writing your article related to your keywords, the words you should be using to explain your subject should semantically be related to your keywords anyway. Granted, some portions may loosely be related to your keywords, such as some sort of an analogy or an example, but in order for your article to be making sense, The words that you select to explain your subject matter should closely be related to each other, consequently to your keywords anyway. So when you're writing your article within this structure, you increase the relevancy of your article in great deal, and this actually helps your rankings boost in the search engines. So here's the way your article should be structured. You start your article with your keyword, and following words that you select should naturally be tightly related to your keyword as well as to your topic. When you expand to make your point in the following paragraphs or sections, you start using words semantically close to your keywords. Let's expand. So in this example, we're using SEO and SEM. As you know, both of these words or phrases are closely related to internet marketing company, and to make it stronger, these words or phrases that you're using should also be related to each other. Now, every time you finish making a point in each paragraph or section, you tie everything back to your main keywords. So when you're giving your conclusion in the last paragraph, you again use your keyword. Now going back to the keyword density, as you should already realize, you use your keywords in the first paragraph and the last paragraph, and every time you expand on your subject, as you tie it back to your keyword. So however many times you expand to make a point, that's how many times you're using your keywords within the body of your article, plus 2 more times at the beginning and at the end. So in reality, there is no structured keyword density per se. Moving on to the next factor, which is the meta description of your article. Even though meta description has no SEO value anymore, it is still an important aspect related to the listings in the search engine results. Since the meta description appears in the search results, it is recommended to use keywords in a compelling meta description to increase the click-through rate. Just as meta description, meta keywords actually has no SEO value at all anymore, especially after Bing took over Yahoo research. So whether you put your meta keywords within your article or not, it makes no difference as far as SEO is concerned. One last word about keywords is making the keywords or important phrases bold and italic. And let's make them bold and italic, which actually has a slight SEO factor within your article. Now, another important optimization factor that you should consider in your article is the internal and external linking. It appears that the ranking of your article improves when you link to internal pages of your website from your article, preferably, of course, with your keywords being the anchor text, and just as well linking to the external sites from your article. One important element that you should pay attention is the relevancy of the pages that you're linking to. And this is actually quite important, and this will boost your rankings in the search results. There are 4 more important optimization factors we need to reiterate. The first and the second ones are the page title of your article, which is also closely related to the URL of your article. The page title of your article should contain your keywords, along with the URL of the page that your article is on within your website. Furthermore, to improve the optimization, it is better to use hyphens to separate your words within your URL. The third factor is the optimization of your images, which also has an important effect on visitors' experience within your article. And just as you know that it's no secret that images have a positive effect on your visitors, and articles with images rank well in the search results. And you should also implement, of course, for this reason, you should also implement optimization factors in your images. And let's get into the image optimization. Okay. Your images should have alt attributes as well as titles. Furthermore, the file name of your images should also be related to your article and should preferably contain your keywords. Let's get our image up. Here is the image that we will be working. If we take a look at the properties of this image, this is the name of the image, which is Internet Marketing Company, which is actually our keyword. Though it has not been tested, we go even further with this optimization and implement keyword related information to the properties of the image. Go to the details, which is the title, tags, comments, copyright, and also mark the image rating to a 5-star. Again, this has not been tested, but since we are putting this out on the internet, we also put the author and of course the copyright information to our image. Let's get back to our sample, and let's put our picture up in our article. Now, the last optimization factor, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but definitely not the least important one, is the reaction of your visitors. And after the latest algorithm updates, Google started looking at quite a few of these and started implementing them as optimization factors. These are the elements such as if the visitors are coming back to your site, how long they are staying on a particular page, or if they are avoiding that particular site in the listings, and even if they are avoiding that particular site when they are doing their search, where all these factors started gaining a good bit of an importance in the SEO industry.
So as you can see, optimizing your article has come a long way, and it is not only putting keywords in the title and throughout your article. Nevertheless, besides the technicalities of optimization, a good read is a good read, and it should provide some sort of value to the readers, which is what the search engines are actually trying to provide to the readers by technically separating the good read from the